Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to look at sources and in-text referencing. I've mentioned in previous other videos the importance of sources in myReach. It essentially ensures that every answer is backed by the information to validate the content. So essentially you can trust but verify the answers if you want to, or click on the sources to continue reading, or essentially check that the information you're getting is based on facts and it hasn't been made up. So let's give it a try. So what training opportunities does Acme offer employees? This is assuming that I'm onboarding into Acme and I've got questions about how things work, what benefits, what onboarding, and all. So what it has been doing here is it searches through the entire knowledge base for the most relevant information, and there it identifies which are the relevant documents, and within these documents the relevant paragraphs, and then it writes up an answer based on that documentation. So this is what we have here. As you can see as well, we've got in-text referencing, so each section of the answer, it tells you which of the sources it took the information from, and then you can click on the sources to see what paragraph from the document it took the information from. So if I go ahead and ask another question, days do we get? Right, so there's no need to give the name of the company again or give more context, because it bases the answer on, or it bases the question on the previous history of the conversation. And what it does here, rather than just taking the direct question I have asked, it assesses what is the optimal rewrite to the question that needs to be done, which is what you can see here, and then it executes that on the question to search based on that. So here again, it gives you the sources. You can continue asking more questions. You can ask about something completely different. It doesn't have to follow the logic of the previous questions. You can also go and create a new chat if you want to separate it into different ones. Essentially, the options are endless. It's all up to you based on what you want to use the chat for. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.